Hello, health enthusiasts, and welcome to Karina's channel. Our journey begins with the intriguing lemon tree, an evergreen beauty hailing from the Rutaceae family. This isn't your typical tree, folks. It's a year-round spectacle, blooming with fragrant flowers that captivate the senses. What sets it apart? It's all in the details. The lemon tree, with its vibrant, glossy leaves and clusters of white-pink flowers, is a sight to behold. So you see, the lemon tree is not your average tree. Its unique characteristics set it apart. Have you ever wondered how the lemon got its name? Well, it's quite a fascinating tale. The term lemon finds its roots in the Arabic word limoun. Yes, that's right. The humble lemon that we find in our kitchens today has a rich history that traces back to the Middle East. The lemon tree was initially grown as an ornamental plant in early Islamic gardens. This vibrant yellow fruit was admired for its aesthetic appeal, rather than its culinary uses. It was not until later that the lemon's tangy flavor and health benefits were discovered, transforming it from a mere garden decoration to a kitchen staple. So, the next time you squeeze a lemon into your tea or dress your salad with its juice, remember, you are not just using a fruit. You are partaking in a tradition that spans centuries and cultures. So, the next time you use a lemon, remember its rich history and the journey it took to get its name. Lemons are not just tasty. They pack a punch in the health department too. Imagine a world where your medicine cabinet and your kitchen pantry were one and the same. That's the world of lemons. These yellow orbs of goodness are bursting with vitamin C, an essential nutrient that boosts our immune system and keeps our skin glowing. But the health benefits of lemons go beyond just vitamin C. They've been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Their acidity makes them a perfect antidote for a variety of ailments. Just a squeeze of lemon in hot water can soothe a sore throat or calm an upset stomach. And let's not forget the lemon peel, often overlooked, but packed with bioflavonoids that have antioxidant properties. Ever heard of the term lemon fresh? That's because lemons with their high acidity can act as a natural cleaner. They cut through grease and grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling and smelling citrusy fresh. Now let's talk about weight loss. Some studies suggest that the polyphenols in lemons can aid in weight loss and reduce the risk of obesity. So if you're looking to shed a few pounds, why not try adding a squeeze of lemon to your daily routine? And lastly, for those beauty enthusiasts out there, lemons can contribute to skin health. The citric acid in lemons can help to exfoliate and brighten the skin, giving you that youthful glow. Isn't it amazing how something so small can be so powerful? Now let's dive into some fun facts about lemon trees. Did you know that a single lemon tree can produce up to 600 pounds of lemons every year? That's right! With proper care and optimal conditions, these industrious trees can yield a staggering amount of fruit. Imagine the lemonade you could make with that! And if you're thinking of planting one, get ready for a long-term relationship. Lemon trees can live for over a century. Yes, you heard it right. Over 100 years. That's longer than most humans. They're the Methuselahs of the citrus world, providing tart, healthful fruit for generations. But the surprises don't stop there. Unlike most fruit trees that have a specific fruiting season, lemon trees are evergreen and bloom all year round. This means they brighten up your garden with their vibrant yellow fruits and fragrant flowers throughout the year, a true gift that keeps on giving. Now brace yourself for the final twist. Lemons are technically berries. Bet you didn't see that coming. In botanical terms, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh. And that's exactly what a lemon is. Who knew lemon trees could be such fascinating creatures? And that wraps up our deep dive into the world of lemon trees. From their unique naming history to their impressive health benefits and fascinating fun facts, there's a lot more to these sunny fruits than meets the eye. Next time you see a lemon tree or enjoy a lemon-infused dish, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Karina's channel for more enlightening content like this.